Alright, I got me a box from Rich Solar in the mail today. We're gonna open it up and see just what all's in it. Oh wow, look at all them goodies. A bunch of orange things. Anyway, I know what this is. I've got one of these in one of my vans. 40 amp charge controller. Box is in great shape. Charge controller is as well, it appears to be. Okay, I don't see no damage. Ooh, there's a temperature sensor. Oh, there's the brackets for the solar panels that went back. And these are, okay, those go to the battery from the charger. That's the cable for the inverter. There's the inline fuse for the solar panels. The cables for the solar panels to the charger. The Bluetooth module, so I can connect my phone to the electrical system, which will happen with the batteries anyway because they're SOK Bluetooth batteries. Anyway, more brackets for solar panels. More brackets for solar panels. A brown box. Oh wow, that is quite a master disconnect switch. Now I see why that thing was $100. Yeah, that way I can turn the solar panels off without having to disconnect all the wiring just to work on something. Now this is why the box was so heavy. Oh my lord, that thing is huge. There's an on-off switch for it, a remote. Rich Solar 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Wow. Everything appears to be in good condition, no damage. Thank you, Rochelle, for videoing for me.